Stars are luminous celestial bodies in the universe. They are composed of ionized plasma. With extremely high surface temperatures. So, how are they formed? Initially, it was just a silent nebula. But one day, it was disturbed by gravitational forces. A high-density region appeared within the nebula. Under the influence of gravity, the nebula began collapsing toward this dense region. As more matter accumulated, the temperature started to rise. Due to the conservation of angular momentum, rotation sped up. And a dense core formed at the center. Under extreme heat and pressure, the core eventually triggered nuclear fusion. Giving birth to the Sun. After the Sun was formed, the remaining material continued to gather under gravity. Forming the planets. In the beginning, the solar system was extremely chaotic. With celestial bodies constantly colliding. It was during this time that Earth and the Moon came into existence. Eventually, the solar system gradually stabilized, taking the shape we see today.